Hey, it's John with JWB at 5856 Gaspar Circle South on the north side of Jacksonville for a final walkthrough. We have just completed this renovation, which is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and is 1,252 heated and cooled square feet. Front door opens up into the living room. This is the first bedroom. The home has plank flooring throughout. This is the kitchen. Appliances will be installed before the resident moves in. The driveway goes around the back of the house. It's got a basketball hoop and a detached garage. This is the laundry room. We're at the main hallway. This is bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. Hall bathroom. There's a tile tub enclosure. And then bedroom 4 is the master. And the master bath has a tile shower. So that will conclude this walkthrough. This home is available for rent.